Guys, I need to talk to you about a product I reviewed recently. It's the Ranvoo AirJet II. Why? Because I gave this a very positive review and now I have something very important to share with you. So this isn't one of my normal review videos. It's actually an update. And I think it's important that you're all aware of what I'm going to tell you next. Back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, in my original video, I genuinely liked the Ranvoo Airjet II. The design was interesting, it felt different, and I thought it was well worth talking about. But within a week of using it, it stopped charging completely. It never got dropped. There was no water damage. It just stopped. And now, you know what? I know that things can fail. That happens. Electronics aren't perfect. But the real test is what happens next. I contacted Felicia at Ranvoo. She was my contact. And this is where it all got a bit disappointing. First off, she asked me to send a video of the product not charging. Now, I questioned the usefulness of that because you know what? It's dead, right? I'm pushing the button now, nothing's happening, right? A dead product, it doesn't charge. What the heck is a video of it not charging going to actually prove, right? Beyond what I've already told them. Then I was told that, you know what? Our products don't go wrong. I mean, they work for everyone else, which, to be honest, is not how manufacturing works. Everything can go wrong. Now, when I suggested sending it back for an exchange, I was told I would need to pay the return to return it first, and then they would evaluate the issue and then possibly send me a replacement. Now, that's not great customer service at the best of times. This thing costs like 140 odd pounds, right? So it's not a cheap device. And you know what? When you've sent a product to someone, to a content creator to review, and that creator has publicly recommended it, you'd expect the support process to be, well, just a bit more straightforward. Now, this isn't about getting special treatment. It's just about basic confidence in the product and the company behind it. When I review something on this channel, I'm not just reviewing the hardware, the software, the product, whatever. I'm indirectly recommending the brand. And if something goes wrong, how that brand handles it matters. In this case, I can't say that the experience filled me with confidence. So I can't recommend the Ranvoo AirJet anymore. It's as simple as that. Now guys, I still needed a toothbrush. So you know what? I decided to go out and buy myself a SURI 2.0. No sponsor, no free unit. I just bought it. And I've been using it for a couple of months now. And I'm not going to do a full review in this video. That's something coming separately. But I will say this. This has been absolutely solid. And it is way cheaper to buy than the Ranvoo. It charges properly, it feels well made, and the overall experience, including the company side of things, feels a lot more reassuring. And that's all I'm going to say for now. So guys, there you have it. I don't enjoy making update videos like this, but if I give something a positive review and then my experience changes, I think it's only fair that I tell you. The Ranvoo Airjet 2 failed within a week and the follow-up support experience was terrible and I can't stand behind it. The SURI 2.0 has replaced it on my sink and I'll be doing a proper review on that soon. So guys, thanks to you for watching. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.